Zak Richard Francis Kirkup is a former Australian politician. He was a Liberal member of the Western Australian Legislative Assembly from the 2017 state election to the 2021 state election, representing Dawesville. On 24 November 2020, Kirkup was elected leader of the Washington Liberals and became leader of the opposition. On 13 March 2021, Kirkup oversaw the political wipeout of the Washington Liberal Party after he conceded 2 weeks prior to the state election that the Liberals would not win. He lost his seat-owned seat of Dawesville to Labor's Lisa Monday, becoming the first Washington major party leader to lose his seat in 88 years. Kirkup was born in Perth to Penny Hulston and Rob Kirkup. His mother was an immigrant from New Zealand, while his father was Australian. Zak Kirkup's paternal grandfather was Aboriginal, a member of the Yamaji people of the Midwest. He has one half-sister, who was born when his mother was 17 and given up for adoption. He grew up in the eastern suburbs around Midland. Kirkup attended Woodlupin Primary School in Forestfield and Governor Stirling Senior High School in Woodbridge. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.